Did you know that your roof can have a significant impact on your home's value? Keep watching this video because today, we'll delve into how the condition of your roof can make a substantial difference. Additionally, we'll provide practical tips to enhance the value of your property. But first, why exactly is your roof crucial to your home's value? Reason number 1, the curb appeal factor. Picture this, you're driving through a neighborhood, eyeing potential dream homes. What's the first thing that grabs your attention? Exactly. You guessed it. The roof. A well-maintained roof not only enhances visual appeal but also sends a strong message to buyers that your entire property is well-maintained. It's like love at first sight for home seekers. Reason number 2, the shield to protect your investment. Now, let's talk about protection. In Florida's dynamic climate, we face scorching sun, heavy rain, and occasional storms. A roof in perfect condition acts as your home's shield, deflecting leaks, mold, and structural issues. And guess what? Buyers are willing to pay more for that level of protection and peace of mind. Reason number 3, energy efficiency. Who doesn't love saving on energy bills? A high-quality roof with proper insulation and ventilation keeps your home cool in Florida's heat and cozy during cooler months. Potential buyers can recognize lower utility bills as a significant advantage, translating to a higher perceived value for your property. Reason number 4, real home value. Okay, let's talk about numbers now. When it comes to evaluating your home's worth, a well-maintained roof can significantly boost its value. Home evaluators take a close look at key components like the roof, and a positive assessment here can mean a substantial increase in what your home is worth. According to a 2019 report from the NAR, realtors estimated a 107% return on investment from investing in a new roof. That means more money in your pocket. So, what have we learned today? Taking care of your roof isn't just about upkeep. It's an investment in your home's overall value. Whether you plan to sell soon or in the future, a top-notch roof is your secret weapon for a better value. Ready to boost your home's value? Contact us at Innovative Roofing for expert roof maintenance, replacement, and repair services. Let us take care of your roof to ensure your home stands out in Florida's real estate market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content.